I certainly got the tools, because the Creatrix tool is ingenious. It's so clever and beyond anything that I could have imagined it would be. In fact, it's fantastic. It's huge. It's absolutely huge. It was absolutely worth it. In fact, crucial. And it was life-changing. I certainly have a fear of rejection, and that's impacted on me in my life. It can leave me feeling extremely hurt and lonely, and I think it probably also stops me from getting close and recognising the people that would be good for me in my life. The feeling of not being good enough has impacted on me and other people in my life through self-doubt about my abilities, about my attractiveness, about, as you can imagine in relationships, I'm sure that my fear has pushed other people away from me. Actually, it costs me quality of life and joy and happiness. It's almost like that fear, so many fears, and the loneliness, it's almost like it's just a wave has come and it's been flushed away. It's like all those fears, it's like I can hardly even tap into anything anymore. I'm here, I'm complete the way I am, and I'm grounded, and I even feel it within my body. I'm finally grounded back in my body, and I'm not at all lonely. So those deep feelings of grief and loss and loneliness have actually shifted. It's been there for years. A much happier version of myself, transformed from, a few years of being pretty bloody miserable. Yeah. I'm going to be dramatic, because I feel at the moment like it has saved my life, because I couldn't see a decent life in front of me. So it has saved me, and it's just opened up, all the clouds have opened up. I've actually got sunshine in front of me. I've got a life worth living in front of me. It's incredibly great, and it's incredibly true. So, I took a leap of faith, there's no doubt, so I would suggest you do the same thing. So there's no way around it. I can't. I'm a trustworthy kind of gal, I'm telling you, it's absolutely worth it. Get on it.